Guys, so today we're going to be folding an origami Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. And it's three-dimensional, so you could place it on your desk, or it's pretty cool. So let's get right into it.
Hey guys, so at the time of editing this, there's screaming in the background. I'm sorry for that. And you guys have around 5 seconds to press the like button, subscribe, and comment, and that'll be fun for you. Good job.
Okay, so the only things that you need are scissors, a pencil, and paper. The first thing that you're going to do is make this into a square paper, and if you don't know how to do it, there's going to be a card up here or a link in the description that shows you how to make a square piece of paper, and it's simple. And I'll do it right now. So now that you have a square piece of paper, you'll have a leftover piece. You can discard it. It won't be any use anymore. You have to do this like so. What you want to do is have this already folded like this. Do the same thing like this. Like that. Then you're going to flip it over. Do that, and then do it again, like, yes, like this. Like this. So the last thing you're going to do is get one where the diagonal part is lumped forward like a mountain. Then you're going to fold it down like this. This is called a preliminary base fold. It's quite simple. So then what you're going to do is do these kind of like paper airplane folds. Like this. And you're going to do this on the other side. Like this. So from here, you're going to get your scissors and cut this bottom part, this triangle, off like this. Like that. So now it's starting to look like a tree. You do not need these parts anymore. So now what you're going to do is get this, one of these flaps, and then invert it. If I were you, I would not lift it above the table. It'll be easier, but right now I'm showing you how to do it. So you lift this out, and then you invert it. Like this. And you do it to all of the other sides. Like that. Now you have 4 on each side instead of 2 flaps on each side. So now what you're going to do is get your pencil and try to make horizontal lines about halfway away from the middle and on both sides. Try to keep them as even as possible so it looks better. This one I tried doing without making it equal or parallel, and it ended up not looking so good. Like this. So then what you're going to do is cut it. It might be hard because you're cutting through 4 layers of paper, actually 8 layers of paper on each side, because each one is folded in half. So you're pretty much cutting through 8 layers of paper. So it would be easier if you get the back part like this and then cut through it until you see right here that it's not going over it like that. Like this. So now you have these cut. So what you're going to do now is fold these parts down like this. As you see right here, I did this right here. If I fold it over, sometimes it grabs onto things, and I do not like it when that happens. So as you see on the left side right here, it's already starting to look like a Christmas tree. So you do that on all of the sides and cue the time lapse. Okay, so now your Christmas tree is pretty much finished. So all you need to do is stand it up at your table or wherever you're working at, and you're pretty much done. This is very cool, and I'll put the link on where I got it in the description. It's pretty cool. And goodbye. Hey guys, so thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked making it. It was pretty fun. Merry Christmas. This is a Christmas gift, and next year is 1 year, or no, next week is 1 year of this channel running. It started December 31st, which is pretty amazing. It's grown so much. We have 64 subscribers at this time as of December 23rd, 2020. And by this time, a video should be posted. It's a Minecraft server, an Origami Masters Minecraft server. So it's on our gaming channel. That will be in the description below, and hopefully we'll see you there. On the video, they'll show you the instructions how to get on, and I'm going to add rules, and yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.